As of now, we are able to see that our dam is almost like 93%. That is according to Nairobi Water Company and the manager in charge of the Kenya here. And the reason is that we have been able to receive enough amount of rainfall in our catchment area, which is Kimakia Forest Station and Gatare, because this dam is served by River Thika and two other streams. For a period of around March, April, we didn't have a lot of rainfall in the upper region, and that is possibly why the dam was feeding very slowly, and people thought that possibly the catchment was not providing us with enough water. But of now, because of the rainfall has reached almost like 1800 mm, that is why now we can see the dam receiving enough water. We are told it is at 93% and increasing.
If every Kenyan planted at least 2 trees a week, that would be 100 trees in 1 year. 50 million Kenyans, that's how many? 50 million times 2 trees per week, it's 100. That will make Kenya much more greener. We can improve our forest cover. That was what was said, that we are at 2-3% right now. Muranga, I'm proud to say that it's 14.5% tree cover right now in green cover. I think we can do that across the board.